It's science time! Boys and girls, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an experiment that answers the question, how do fish float? Let's dive in. But first, safety. All right, for this lab, we are going to be sitting on the floor. I have a towel laid down in case anything spills. My device for my virtual class is on a chair in front of me, so I can still see my teacher and my classmates. Hi, teacher. But I can also make sure that it's not going to get wet. All right, in front of me, I have a bowl filled with water. You want to make sure that it is a pretty big bowl so that you can take your water bottle and dunk it in, okay? So we're going to start off with a water bottle. This is your standard disposable water bottle. It's full and it is from Kroger. All right. We're going to take that water bottle and we're just going to place it into our bin of water. And I notice that it's floating a little bit, but not very much. What do you notice about your water bottle? All right, so now that we've had some time to do the first step of our experiment, we've placed our water bottle full inside of our big container filled with water, and we noticed that it floated a little bit. For the next step of our experiment, we are going to pour some of that water out. So I'm just going to untwist the lid. And since I already have a container here and it's not all the way full, I'm just going to pour about half of that water out into the container. So now my water bottle is half full. I'm going to close it up and close it tight to make sure that no water can get back out. All right. Now I am going to place my water bottle back into my bowl and notice what happens. What do you notice about your water bottle? Is it floating the same or differently from the full water bottle? I noticed that too. It's floating differently. I noticed that when we poured some of the water out and there was more air in the water bottle, that the water bottle floated closer to the top, okay? When the water bottle was full of water and only had a little bit of air in it, for the most part, it sunk to the bottom of the bowl. It didn't really float that much. All right, now it's time to clean up our lab. Make sure that if you need adult help lifting that heavy water bowl, that you go ahead and get an adult to help you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just put this whole bottle in the sink and we're going to deal with it later. Make sure the towel gets in the laundry where it belongs. Don't just leave it on the floor. Put it back where it belongs in the dirty laundry pile because it's been on the floor. We don't want to wash our bodies with that now. That's kind of gross, okay? So if you need an adult to help you get your bowl to the sink, make sure you get that adult to help you and the towel is going into the laundry basket. All right, I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. Thanks so much for doing that experiment with me, you guys. Stay tuned for more awesome science videos. I'm going to turn things back over to your teacher now so we can make that link. What does a floating water bottle have to do with how fish float? Let's find out. What